So in this learning expedition, we went to a local neighborhood spot called Pastelle Kitchen. We love to partner with local spots within our community. And we went to learn how to make cookies. So this learning expedition both connected with our current unit of inquiry that we are wrapping up now, which is all about who we are. Through this unit, students have been learning about their body systems and also about wellness and the interconnectedness of them and how they can take care of themselves. Now you might wonder, what do cookies have to do with taking care of ourselves? Well, the students got to reflect on how cooking and baking is a part of wellness as well. It is a way to express their culture, their traditions, and also connect with others. This learning expedition also served as a launching point for our next unit of inquiry, which is all about property changes, chemical changes, and the scientific process. So students got to do a little bit of trial and error, and they got to learn about the chemistry of baking and the effects of each ingredient, what white sugar does versus brown sugar.
Bum, ba-da-dum, bum. Bum, bum. Who knows what sugar does what?
White sugar is more common.
Dark brown sugar makes the dough brown.
Students were able to collaborate in mixing all of the ingredients together, and then also being able to choose which toppings that they wanted to put in. And it was really cool because students got kind of a behind the scenes look into the kitchen and baking and all of the steps that go into it, which will later connect with, in literacy, we're going to be doing some procedural writing. So learning the importance of the steps and doing things in a specific order was really important.
And each time you bake, the kitchen has to get cleaner and cleaner and cleaner.
Yes, that is the goal.
47? 44? 48. There we go.
That's too much.
I think that's gonna be...
No, I think that's
Yes!
Uno, dos, tres.
Learning expeditions serve as just a real-world application of all of the skills and concepts we are teaching here at school. And so they get to see that what they're learning is meaningful, and they actually use these skills and this knowledge in the real world to create delicious products, such as cookies.
Yes, I do.
What is that?
Cross-contamination is like, imagine you have an allergy,
Mm-hmm.
and so my mom is vegetarian, but my entire us family is not. We all eat meat. So cross-contamination is like, imagine the juice of meat accidentally rubbed off of your vegetables. That's cross-contamination.
But they just get to see these skills and knowledge applied in a real-world sense. It also serves as a great way to connect with, our neighborhood and our community, and also the different experiences and cultures of others and kind of blending it all together.